Lovely IDAs. I'm just making a quick video as a reminder to add title attributes to videos that we embed. So I'm going to show you, and I apologize if I didn't teach this to you earlier, to the newer ones, but I've been just going through my final review of this course, and I've been looking to see if we have title attributes. So here, I know we don't have a title attribute because it says YouTube video player. In this part of the HTML, we would need to add the title of the YouTube video. So in this case, it would be, this is a video, I guess 5 cool dance moves from the 1920s. The easiest way to do this is that when you're embedding from the video, when you do share embed and copy the embed code, you would insert embed, and right here, I mean, you can do this through the YouTube too, but here you would add the title. So 5 cool dance moves. And the reason why we need to do this is because for accessibility reasons, when a blind person is going through the course and they're using screen readers, they won't know what this video is. So that's why we need a title attribute. So just as a reminder to be adding title attributes to all of our embed and iframes. So that would be Quizlet, flashcards. H5P does it automatically if you're inserting it from Canvas. So I usually don't worry about those, but I do worry about Quizlets and embedded YouTube videos. Thanks.